How to share YouTube channel link on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now search for youtube.com over here and make sure you are in the desktop mode. So let's tap on three dotted lines, and here as you can see it's already on desktop side. So all you need to do over here is simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on view your channel. So let's tap on view your channel, and as you tap on view your channel, you'll be getting the URL of your channel at the top of the screen. So simply select on that and copy the link. Now go back to Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account, and here simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the edit profile option, and here you can see the option of links. Select on links, tap on add external link and paste the URL that we copied. Tap on the title and simply say YouTube over here. Now tap on the check mark and there you go. So now you can just go back and see on your profile, and you can just tap on it and you can see the YouTube link. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.